In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ChatGPT account. By the end, you'll have your account set up and be ready to start chatting in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and head to chatgpt.com. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on the correct site and that it's using a secure connection. This helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your information safe. On the homepage, look for the sign up button and click it. If you've used ChatGPT before, you can choose sign in instead. But for a brand new account, sign up is the way to go. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up with an email address or continue with a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Using one of these sign-in providers can be faster since it reuses your existing login. If you prefer email, just be ready to check your inbox to confirm ownership. If you signed up with an email address, you'll receive a message asking you to verify your account. Open that email from the official sender and look for the verification link. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and then check your spam or junk folder. When you find it, click the link to confirm your email. This step is important for security and to ensure you can recover your account later if needed. After verification, you'll be prompted to provide your first and last name along with your date of birth. This helps personalize your experience and confirm you meet the minimum age requirements in your region. Enter accurate information as requested and proceed. For added security, you may be asked to provide a phone number to receive a one-time verification code. Enter the number you can access on the same device, tap to send the code, and then type in the digits you receive via text. If a code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and request a new one, ensuring you have a stable signal. Once your email and, if required, your phone are verified, your registration is complete. You can now start using ChatGPT immediately. From here, you can begin a new conversation and ask questions, draft content, or explore ideas. If you'd like, you can review available plans and features. The free option is a great starting point, and you can upgrade later if you need more capabilities. Before you dive in, consider visiting settings to review data controls and preferences so your experience matches your comfort level. That's it, your ChatGPT account is ready. Enjoy exploring and have a great time creating with AI.